What if you could take your tan to the next level? Achieve a darker, richer tan than ever before. What if your sunless applications could look more natural, be more even, and last days longer? What if there were a treatment that left your skin feeling baby soft, hydrated your skin from head to toe, and left you with a vibrant glow in just minutes? The solution is here. Welcome to the revolution redefining the tanning experience as you know it. Welcome to the Hydration Station. Melt away as your skin is enraptured in radiant heat and dense steam. Drench your skin in an oxygenated liquid vitamin shower packed with skincare nutrients. Balance your body as you soak up the rays of multi-sensory color lights. Relax and revive your senses with stimulating full-body vibratory massage. Hydration Station is the first revolutionary tanning technology to accelerate UV and sunless tanning results, prolong the rich color achieved, and provide full-body skin rejuvenation. The Hydration Station mission is clear. Prepare, prolong, and protect your skin and your tan. Results to expect. Accelerate your UV tan for darker, richer color. Achieve 2 to 3 shades darker tan in just one session. Transform your sunless experience with more natural-looking, even results that last days longer, up to 8 days. Say goodbye to post-sunless DHA odor and residue left on the skin, and ensure an even, natural-looking fade. Dramatically improve skin tonality and texture. Rejuvenate, revive, and rehydrate your skin for a healthy glow